What?
Yep.
What's the number?
That's the question. All right. It is 93.
93.
Get that? You guys lived through over 100 slides today. Check you
Yes.
out.
It's not that. 93. There you go. Okay, so I can copy this.
So we really, really appreciate understanding how we can improve the class even more, the workshop for future folks. And yeah, Mike, you can answer 42 to every question if you want. That would be awesome. But in all seriousness, we appreciate the fact that we had a lab 3 not go so well today. Completely got it. And a couple of typos. Those have already been pushed back to the repo. I'll get the lab 3 tidied up and serviceable as soon as possible. We'll get that pushed up to the repo as well. Other than that, really would appreciate your comments. And actually, the next slide that Julio has is for a lab if you would like to do it on custom providers. You can go create your own custom providers. So there is a hands-on lab, and you're welcome to do this. More than happy to stay around and help with any questions that people may have to do this lab. And if you do so, that'll be the end of the day for you. If you choose not to do the lab, then we really would appreciate you doing the survey. And well, in either case, but at least do the survey.
Yeah, the survey will be very important for us, to be able to, get your feedback and also, show, the, what has been learned and bring the feedback to the team.